everyone! Today we're gonna draw a few cute pieces of sushi. Let's go ahead and start with just our basic roll. We're going to make kind of like a squiggly line for the rice, but it's gonna be kind of like a circle. And then we're gonna draw a little squiggly line for the rice down and a little squiggly line for the rice on this side. And then a little squiggly line for the rice across. We're gonna draw a little kind of black belt, nice and solid for our nori. And then at the top, our sushi is gonna be filled with probably some salmon here and probably some avocado. We're gonna make this little sushi nice and happy. So we're gonna do some little anime lines like this for the eyes and a nice happy smile. Beak. Let's draw our next sushi. It's gonna be a nice piece of nigiri. So we're gonna do our salmon all the way across. And then we're gonna do our little pat of rice underneath. So little squiggly lines for the rice. And then our little nigiri is gonna have some cute little button eyes. And so we're gonna do some round circles. Some big circles on the right corner of the eye, and then little circles at the bottom. There we go. And we're gonna do a cute little sly smile for our nigiri. This is gonna be a nice salmon nigiri, which is my favorite. And so we're gonna do the little squiggly lines for the salmon. There we go. Next, we're gonna do a nice big hand roll. So we're gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna go up and around. Up and around for the rest of the hand roll. And then we're gonna do a nice tuft of rice right there at the top. My hand roll is going to be just a happy little hand roll with two little eyes. We're gonna do some eyebrows, and then we're just gonna do a nice happy smile for that hand roll. Now, most of the time hand rolls can be filled with like little cucumber slices. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick some little cucumber slices out here. We're gonna go ahead and fill it in with some little pieces of roe, which are fish eggs. So we'll color those in a moment. And there we go. Let's go ahead and start coloring. So let's go ahead and color in our little avocado. We're gonna speed up the coloring portions, so feel free to pause if you need to. Then we're gonna go ahead and color in our little salmon. Let's color in our nori. We're gonna color that in black. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush to this little sushi. So now I'm going to go ahead and color in my salmon nigiri, and I am going to use this nice salmon color. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little peach color too to color in my salmon nigiri. Next, I'm gonna use my black marker to color in the eyes. Next, I'm gonna color in my hand roll. So I am going to use red to color in my row. Then I'm gonna use green to color in my cucumbers. And then I'm gonna use black to color in the nori. And there you have it, cute little sushi pieces. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.